The biggest problem with having people understand why it's better to repipe than just repair is because the first thing you think of when you have a leak is a plumber. Plumber comes out, he's there to try to sell you a repair, okay? That may cost you $2,000 to $3,000 on a typical repair. Well, if you do 4 or 5 of those repairs over time, you've already paid for a full house repipe. And you have to go through that each and every time you do a repair. Some repairs can be $5,000 to $7,000 depending on the extent of the repair. Sometimes it can be 1 or 2 repairs to pay for a whole repipe. So having people understand that it's better not to waste your money on a repair, it's better to pull the Band-Aid off, do the whole thing, then you have a lifetime warranty. It'd be the last time you ever have to worry about leaky pipes.